AI model, based on the conceptual visualization, ISO 21001, of the Deep Neural Network, DNN, presented in the video. Here's what this model is designed to do. Model by Pradeep K. Suri. Core function: performance evaluation for ISO 21001 in the education sector. The primary goal of this DNN is to evaluate performance within an educational organization in the context of the ISO 21001 standard, Educational Organizations Management Systems requirements with guidance for use. How it achieves this, inferred from the inputs and outputs. The DNN likely takes various input indicators related to different aspects of the educational organization and uses them to predict or assess performance in key output areas. Input indicators, factors considered by the DNN. The left side of the diagram shows the factors that the DNN likely analyzes as inputs. Learner needs identification, curriculum design, faculty and staff management, learning environment, learning assessment, resource allocation, learning and learning resources, accessibility and equity, stakeholder communication, supplier services, compliance and regulatory requirements. These inputs represent a holistic view of the educational institution's operations, resources, and interactions. Output performance areas, what the DNN evaluates or predicts. The right side of the diagram shows the key performance areas that the DNN likely evaluates or predicts. Top management review: this suggests the DNN provides insights relevant for strategic decision-making and overall organizational performance review by top management. Academic performance: this indicates the DNN assesses or predicts outcomes related to student learning, achievement, and educational quality. Operational reporting: this implies the DNN generates reports or insights related to the efficiency and effectiveness of the organization's processes and operations. In summary, this DNN can likely analyze a wide range of factors relevant to an educational organization's functioning and adherence to ISO 21001. Identify complex relationships and patterns between these input factors and the key performance areas. Provide data-driven insights into the current state of performance in areas like top management review, academic performance, and operational reporting. Potentially predict future performance in these areas based on the input data. Support evidence-based decision-making for improvement and compliance with ISO 21001 standards. It's important to note that this is an interpretation based on the conceptual diagram. The actual capabilities and the specific algorithms used within the DNN would determine the precise nature of its outputs and insights. Thank you.